How to delete Windows old update files. First up, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna click on your File Explorer. So open your File Explorer and then go over to this option that says this PC, and then this should be your local disk or your drive, whatever, and then click on it and then go over to the Windows option right over here. And then what you're gonna do now is you're gonna scroll down until you find this option called Software Distribution. Click on it and then go over to the download option, and this should be all the old Windows update files. So you can simply click on all of them, or Control A to click on all of them, and then right click and delete. And so you just have to wait for it to complete deleting. So it's done deleting. What you're gonna do now is that you're gonna make sure that you go over to your recycle bin, and then mine is full so I cannot really locate them. So then go to your recycle bin and then delete them there, and that's how you can simply delete your Windows old update files. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.